All right, guys. So today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Watch Pro AM. A lot of you guys have been requesting for a quick review video so that you can know if this guy worth buying or not. Now I have heard you guys, so that is the reason why I make this video. Actually, I'm still using this Oraimo Watch Pro AM. This is my day 2, 48 hours day 2, and here with me I have about 4 smartwatches here that I've used that I'm going to share my thoughts on. You can see they are all here. This is the Oraimo Watch Nova AM. This is the Oraimo Watch Nova R. And this is the Oraimo Watch 5. Currently, I'm using the Oraimo Watch Pro AM. With that being said, let me share with you my thoughts about this guy. You can get it on Oraimo eShop website for around 70,000 Naira. Let's quickly go over to Oraimo website. The Oraimo Watch Pro AM goes for 72,100 Naira. Yeah, 72,100 Naira. While my Oraimo Watch ES2, which I'll be comparing in this video, goes for just 49,900 Naira. So that you should know. Starting with the unboxing of the Oraimo Watch Pro AM, you are going to get the usual stuff from the package. I really like the way Oraimo made this pack. It looks nice. You are getting the Oraimo Watch Pro AM welcome guide, and you're also getting this magnetic charging cable to charge it off, the usual charger, and the presentation makes a lot of sense. So I think some of you might have seen this. This is how you are going to unbox it. You see, discover endless possibilities and keep exploring with Oraimo. Keep exploring. Then you open it this way and you have your welcome guard from here. And you open the other side, which kind of like magnet a little bit. So you open here and you see your charging cable here. So that is how Oraimo made it. Very good, nice packaging. I think I'll give Oraimo 9/10 when it comes to the packaging of this guy. With that being said, packaging is not what we are going to use. Now, moving over to the design of this Oraimo Watch Pro AM, this is 1.8 inches AMOLED screen display. It looks beautiful straight out of the box, and you can see how good it is. But one thing Oraimo failed to do concerning their smartwatches, I think, is the huge bezels. You can see this black stuff here. I don't know why Oraimo can't just make it bezel-less so that we can, have more screen size to this guy. But I don't know why. Even this Oraimo Watch ES2 has on uniform bezels. Here is thin, while here is a bit larger. Hopefully, Oraimo is going to do the needful and give us bezel-less screen in the future. Now, talking about the design of this guy is unique when it comes to the strap. You can see the strap looks nice. It's different from the strap that we have been using from Hedges, from Oraimo. You can see this is just normal strap, a regular strap from Oraimo. Okay, you can see. So it is, unique this time around. The rest of the smartwatches come with this kind of strap from Oraimo, except if you are buying a new strap from Oraimo, which you can get on their website. Now, let's talk about how this guy looks before I compare it to my Oraimo Watch ES2. So far, so good. This guy has been working fine. There are some little shortcomings which I'll be sharing with you in the full review video, but for now, let me just tell you what you need to know. Now, this strap looks good. Yes, I really like it because it complements my look, and the design-wise is great. Now, it comes with a rotating crown. You can use to change the watch face. You can also use it to navigate the smartwatch if you want to. Now, if you move over to the back, you can see they are almost the same, just as I've showed you before, aside from the filler lens, which is good when it comes to health functions of this smartwatch. Aside from that, if you now position them by side, you notice that these two guys are almost the same. Like the rotating crown button on the Oraimo Watch ES2 is small, while this is a little bit bigger. The microphone placement is also the same place, but there is no extra button for the sport mode on the Oraimo Watch Pro AM, as you can see. Okay, so that is that. Now, there are some other differences in this guy, but when you go to the UI of these two smartwatches, you notice that they are almost the same thing. Now, let me show you. Swipe left, you are going to notice that the UI is almost the same. At the widget side here, you can see activities here, daily activities, alarm clock, heart rate, blood oxygen, pressure, stress, sleep, and you see sleep. Breathing exercise, you have breath, weather, and you have weather, work clock, and there's no work clock here. So when you go back to the home page, swipe right, you are going to see your heart rate first, but this one is for music control on the ES2. You can see your heart rate here. Now, I'll be testing the heart rate separately in another video, not in this video, so you guys can see. I noticed that the sleep measurement is not the same, because I don't know why this guy is giving me wrong sleep information. I timed myself. I knew when I went to bed, and this Oraimo Watch ES2 did a great job telling me I slept for 8 hours 32 minutes. Why this Oraimo Watch Pro AM said I slept for 6 hours 5 minutes, which is false. But this guy said 8 hours 32 minutes, and this is what I've been using to compare to any smartwatch that comes to my hand, because this guy is almost accurate like clinical equipment. It is almost the same on these two guys. The UI is almost the same. The only thing that I notice about this guy is that when messages come into the Oraimo Watch Pro AM, they are going to hear a sound like. So, if you are comparing the Oraimo Watch ES2 to the Oraimo Watch Pro AM, design-wise and the UI and some other stuff, you notice that they are almost the same. To round up this video, I would say the Oraimo Watch ES2 has a lot of similar features when you compare it to the Oraimo Watch Pro AM. If you are on a budget, I think the Oraimo Watch ES2 is still the best choice to go for, while if you have the enough money or resources, you can go for the Oraimo Watch Pro AM. And if you have any question about the other Oraimo smartwatches that I've used, please let me know down there in the comment section. Just ask me and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy any of these Oraimo smartwatches, don't forget to use the discount code bracket and you are going to enjoy 5% discount instantly. See you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.